Making a 4-layer cake takes more effort than picking up one of those mass-produced supermarket cakes slathered in vegetable shortening frosting. But we assure you, baking this chocolate cake will be worth every extra minute. Let's begin. Combine buttermilk, baking soda, vanilla, and eggs in a bowl and beat. Did you notice that the baking soda goes along with the wet ingredients? Baking soda is a leavening agent that needs an acidic ingredient. Enter buttermilk, and then melt that pound of unsalted butter on the stovetop. Yes, a pound. Remember, this is a big chocolate birthday cake, and calories don't count on birthdays anyway. Stir cocoa powder into the melted butter, then add the boiling water. The boiling water is crucial here. It brings out the full chocolate flavor of the cocoa powder. Time to marry all of your cake ingredients together. Pour the cocoa mixture over the dry ingredients you placed in a bowl. Don't use cold or room temperature water. You've got hot butter in the pan, and cool water will make the butter harden up around the cocoa. Add the buttermilk mixture. Presto, your batter's ready for baking. Buttermilk is the key to making a moist, tender cake. Generously butter 4 cake pans and then dust liberally with cocoa powder. Don't be tempted to forgo the dusting. It will help the cakes release from the pans and will add to the chocolate flavor. Once the cakes are baked, let them cool completely before frosting them. For even better results, refrigerate them for easier frosting. To make the heavenly chocolate frosting, start with a ganache. A ganache is simply cream and chocolate melted into a rich chocolate sauce. Once this ganache mixture is cooled, stir in vanilla. If you stir in the vanilla when the ganache is piping hot, you'll dissipate the vanilla flavor. When you're ready to assemble your massive chocolate cake, whip the cooled chocolate ganache into a light and fluffy chocolate buttercream frosting. Pull out your favorite cake stand and layer the chocolate cakes and frosting, generously filling in between the layers. Frost the top and sides. Pop on a few birthday candles, and your big chocolate birthday cake is ready to serve.